Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M53 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down to find the biometrics and security. Now let's scroll down again, and as you can see in the last section on the very first position we've got the install unknown apps option, so let's enter. And here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case, to install some content. So if you'd like to change it, so for example if you'd like to allow Chrome to install something, just find it and tap on the switcher. That was of course a misclick. I wanted to turn on the Chrome. And as you can see, from now on this option is active, this app is active, which means that it is allowed to install something. Be aware that you are doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually hold whole device at risk, so remember about that. Of course it will work the same with all other apps. Just find the app and tap on the switcher. You can turn off all of the permissions you've previously given, just find them and tap on the switcher again, and from now on the Chrome and the Gmail are not allowed to install anything. So actually this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Samsung Galaxy M53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.